Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Sa today's vlog, magluluto tayo ng adobong pusit na may celery naman yung aking version na adobo. Celery, garlic, onion, and bell pepper. Wala akong siling haba, so this is my pusit. Pinkish pusit. So, lilinis muna natin ang ating pusit. So guys, when you're cleaning the pusit, just remove the mouth ba yan? Tapos, ito siya. Only that one. And just repeat natin hanggang matapos siya. Remove lang natin ito. Hihiwain lang natin ang ating sibuyas, and then I have also celery, and instead of siling haba, bell pepper lang yung aking tanim. So bell pepper yung ating ilagay sa ating adobo. Konting mantika. And I have butter. So, maglalagay tayo ng butter sa adobong pusit natin. Konting butter. Now, put the garlic. So, yung aking adobo ay may celery siya, guys. And then, I use white onions. So, ibabrown lang natin konti yung ating onions. Saka natin ilagay ang ating pusit. So now the onions is starting brown na siya, and we will put our pusit. Then we will put black pepper. Anteng slices. So yun, I put already the pusit, so I put already the slices and a little Mars seasoning, and then a little vinegar kasi na adobo siya, guys. A little vinegar lang kasi I hate so much vinegar. And then we will put our leaves, and instead of siling haba, I use bell pepper kasi yun ang available sa aking garden. So just mix. We're about to finish our adobong pusit is almost done. So tikim-tikim na, guys. Little more seasoning. Tapos pinch of salt. Kulo-kulo lang hanggang basta wag so much pakulo para hindi titigas si pusit. So it's yum. Ito yung paborito ng aking panganay. Laging seafoods. Yung isang paborito niya ay hipon, tahong. Ayun. Lami na siya, guys. So, thank you for watching. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga videos na i-upload. And have a nice day. Thank you, guys. Our pusit is already done.